Hi Product Mavins, welcome back to our channel How to Be a PM. My name is Ishan Mahajan and today we are diving into a concept that's crucial for any product manager or entrepreneur, minimum viable product or MVP. So what exactly is an MVP? An MVP is a stripped down version of a product that includes only the essential features necessary to solve the core problem for its target users. The idea is to validate the product idea with the least amount of effort and investment. Let's break down the key aspect. Minimum, the least number of features viable, capable of solving the core problem, product, something tangible that users can interact with. Now the question is, what is the purpose of building an MVP? The purpose of building a MVP is simple: to test your assumptions and validate your product idea quickly and cost effectively. Instead of spending months or even years building a full-fledged product, you focus on the core functionalities that addresses the primary needs of your target market. Think of MVP as the narrowest part of a funnel. You start wide with lots of ideas and features, but through prioritization and user feedback, you narrow down to what's absolutely necessary. So, how does an MVP help a product manager? Here are a few key benefits. Risk mitigation. By releasing a basic version of your product, you reduce the risk of investing in features that users don't actually want or need. Quick feedback loop. A MVP allows you to get real world feedback from actual users early in the development process. This feedback is invaluable for making informed decisions. Resource efficiency. It's all about doing more with less. You can conserve resources, be it time, money, or human effort. Last but not the least, market validation. An MVP helps you validate whether there's a market demand for your product. If users engage and show interest, you know you're onto something. Now let's look at some real world examples of MVP from top technology companies. These companies started small, validated their concepts, and iterated based on user feedback. Example 1: Airbnb. Airbnb's founders initially put up a basic website to rent out their apartment during a conference. The website featured just a few photos and basic booking system. This MVP helped them test the market demand and gather feedback from their first few customers. Airbnb's MVP have proved that people were willing to stay in someone else's home, and they use this insight to refine their platform and expand their offering. Now, moving to another example, which is Amazon. So, Amazon started as an online bookstore focusing solely on selling books before expanding into other product categories. Jeff Bezos wanted to test whether people were willing to buy books online. By starting with a single category, Amazon validated the e commerce model and then iteratively added more products and features. Amazon MVP was crucial in understanding customer behavior and logistics, allowing them to scale their operations and become the e commerce giant they are today. It's important to note that the approach to MVPs can differ significantly between startups and large software enterprise. For startups, an MVP is often about survival. It's the way to quickly validate a business idea and secure funding. The focus is on speed and learning, with the product often being quite basic. Whereas in large enterprise, they use MVP to explore new market or features. They have more resources and existing customer bases, so their MVPs might include more polish and functionality. The goal is to minimize disruption while exploring new opportunities. In conclusion, an MVP is a powerful tool in a product manager's arsenal. It allows you to validate your product idea with minimum investment, get to the market quickly and gather real user feedback, iterate and improve based on what you learn. So, whether you are working on a startup or a new feature with an established company, remember the value of starting small, learning fast, and scaling based on validated insights. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, Make sure to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel How to Be a PM for more insights into product management and tech innovation. Leave a comment below about your favorite MVP story or any questions you have. Thanks for watching and see you next time.